Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of my unboxing my Chanel goodies. Yesterday was Louis Vuitton. Today is, I was going to say it's all about Cartier. No, it's all about Chanel. Today is Chanel Day. Do you think Louis Vuitton will make an appearance? I don't know. Maybe the Louis Vuitton is like going to dominate the video, but no, today is all about Chanel. So welcome back to my channel. Get comfortable. Get relaxed. You deserve it. You deserve to relax. You deserve to feel wonderful. I wanted to say thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you're a new friend, hi. If you're an existing friend, hey. I hope that everyone is having a fabulous week. And I think about you guys, and I know you leave me comments like, you find my videos relaxing. I hope you're treating yourself. And by treating yourself, I don't mean just like buying yourself stuff, because that's great and everything. But the true way to treat yourself is to love yourself and love the skin you're in, and to really have all the love and all the empathy for yourself. So please take a time out, whether you do it right this second or a time out whenever you can, to just give yourself a hug and say, good job, me. I'm doing a good job. Okay. I hope I don't sound like a self-help book, but as some of you guys know, I have been dealing with a lot of anxiety, and I was having intense panic attacks, but I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling really good. And what's helping me with a lot of my emotional issues is just the compassion and the love for myself that I'm finding. And all the empathy that we put out to other people, we have to give it to ourselves. And sometimes it's good to treat yourself. So here's my haul, and here is what I got. Two of these things are the same. There was a little mix up. My sales associate put an order in. I don't know what's what, but let's get started. I started to open one box, and then I was like, no, we got to show them. So I don't know how you guys feel about the unboxing. I hope that you do enjoy it. As I said, I don't want to come off as bragging. I love these things. They're not my whole life. They're just a fun part. So let's get to part one. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, now you guys know, if you watch me, I've already started to open this up. You guys know, if you watch me, that I'm not the hugest fan of Chanel costume jewelry, because I feel that it's really expensive, and I feel it's really overpriced, and I feel like the quality went down. But those of you that love the Chanel custom, why do I feel like that? Costume jewelry, I hope that you do enjoy it and your pieces are wonderful for you. Now, this is a piece that doesn't touch skin. So I am okay with these things. My sales associate tried to get me to get a pair of earrings to match, and I said, yeah, not at this time. So I saw this piece. I wanted a Chanel brooch that was just a classic brooch, something that wasn't, I love the resin. My girlfriend collects the resin, the cute acrylic ones. Come out of your home, girl. All right, I would just switch hands. Look, it's in his little box. It's in his little, it's standing up. Okay, so come on out. Oh my God. The girl needs a tripod. The girl needs a filming assistant. The girl needs professional videos. All right, it's pinned in there, and usually it slides off. Here is my Chanel brooch. I wanted something that was classic, and I wanted something that was pearl. I mean, what is more classic than Chanel pearl? I got the gold tone because I like gold tone. I like silver, and I think white metals are fun and funky, but I got this brooch because I thought it was so pretty. They make the same brooch with, I'm sorry, let me put this on pause and take it out. Yay for figuring out the pause button. Okay, so they have the same brooch, but with hanging chains, and that's really cute. Wow, this has a nice weight to it. It really does. It seems to be that it's made pretty well. It's got the gold tone hardware, and the pearls are inlaid really pretty. I think this is a nice classic item, and I wanted a smaller brooch. This is the medium size, but I didn't want a real large one for cardigans. I'm a cardigan girl. I love wearing spring and summer cardigans, and I thought this would look really cute on a shawl, just like at the end of a shawl. And then I also have an idea of how I'm going to pair this with a cheap pair of faux pearls. So this is one of my purchases, and I'm glad I got this. When I was with my husband and we were shopping for the Louis Vuitton bag, my husband was like, oh no, you're getting a brooch. He doesn't For some reason, he's pissed when I spend money on this kind of stuff. He thinks they're completely overpriced, which they are, but I wanted it. So it's pretty. I feel like it's really feminine and really delicate, and I think it'll look nice on a lot of pieces, right? It's pretty. So I will update you guys on wear and tear. I hate that a lot of my Chanel pieces, I used to buy costume jewelry like 10, 15 years ago, and a lot of the pieces never used to fall out. And then the pieces that I bought, the stones would fall out, the pearls would fall out, and it didn't seem worth it. So I hope this is going to be, I don't trash my things, but I'd like to wear them and not just have them look pretty in a photo. So let's see how this wears. So that's my first purchase. The second one, let's open this. Let's open this. Let's see what's new. Okay, so like I said, two of these are the same item, and I believe they're those two right here. So let's see what this is. Okay, you know what? I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to open everything so I don't have to open boxes and fumble around like a goofball. Okay, hold on. Okay, I did it so I could just slide it off, and it will be easy. My kitty has come in to say hi to me. He wants to share some love. I am all about my cats today for some reason. I'm all about my cats every day, but especially today. Okay, so this is, I don't even know what it is yet. I'm assuming it's the round piece. It's the round baby. Okay, this is, and I saw this and I turned it down. I saw this first in December and I said, oh, no way. What would I use in it? Then I saw it again in February and I put something in it, and my sales associate's like, it's selling out. Don't ever tell me it's selling out. I'm such a sucker. But anyway, I was like, it's cute. This is the round coin purse, and I think it's so cute and so delicate, and I really loved it the first time I saw it, but I didn't buy it because I felt, what is going to fit in here? Like, there's nothing, the cards aren't going to fit in here. So I put a lipstick in here, and I put my headphones in here, and I put a little pill box in here. And I was like, yes, this is so cute. This is so adorable. I love that it's round. I love, my cat's eating my hair. Sorry. Does anybody who have cats, does your cat eat your hair? My cat munches on my hair. I don't know. It's just annoying, but this is the little round coin purse. This is adorable. Let's, I'm trying to open this with one hand. Sorry. This is cute. Let's see what it fits. Let's see what you fit, girl. Okay, we don't want to show the authenticity, but I always like to show the AY numbers for you guys. All right, so let me go back into, if you're interested in the brooch. My cat's licking my back. I'm sorry. It's a really weird feeling to have a cat lick your back. All right, so here is the brooch. This is a 17 spring summer and golden pearl. It was $500 for the brooch. Expensive in my opinion. I have a weird budgeting thing when it comes to Chanel and Louis Vuitton. Well, not when it comes to Louis Vuitton, because I don't know about Louis. I haven't been into Louis in a long time, but with Chanel, I have like a weird pricing strategy. Like, I feel some things are so expensive, but I don't feel bad buying them. Or this just comes in general, like jewelry, I'll never feel bad about buying something. But then some prices, I'm like, they're not worth it. So let me show you the code in case you are interested. So here is your AY number, and then that's the color code of the metal and the pearl. So it's made in France, and it was $500. And then they have one, I think it was $750 with the long string. So here is the coin purse, and this is really hard to find. There might be one or two left in the country right now. Now, what Chanel does, what they do is they release something, and they might not have it for the rest of the year, or they may not have it again until like a season or two later. So don't fret if you really want this. This will come back. It'll come back in other lovers and other leathers and colors. So what Chanel does is they'll release something, and then they'll release it in other colors and other, I know this comes in lamb, but the black caviar, mine is the silver tone hardware, and I think it's adorable. I think it's cute. It's okay. The reason why I wanted to get it now before it was re-released is because this is the same leather as my fabulous Chanel clutch with the puffy spring summer leather. So let's take out this clutch and let me show you. I love the leather on this. You guys know that I'm a land lover. I can't pronounce any words today. I'm a lamb lover. I love my Chanel lamb. And this is a beautiful puffy caviar. And I saw that this was a pretty puffy caviar. And I was like, you know what? And the camera is kind of showing it a little bit duller, but it's deep, black, rich, thick and puffy, baby. It is. It's really nice. So this is probably made in Spain or Italy. I don't know. Let's see. Made in Spain. Yeah, I love made in Spain leather goods, small leather goods. They're always very well made. So this matches this. The hardware is different, but then when you have the light gold hardware, you can tell that it's a different color hardware, but it doesn't look that off. So those are so cute and they went together. I'm really glad I found that piece. Like I said, I think it's really cute if you have a big bag. Sorry, not a big bag. If you're carrying like a medium, large, or you're carrying a mini or a clutch, this is so cute for a little catch-all. You can use it as they originally attended. What the hell? It's Friday, guys. It's Friday the 13th. Yay! You can use this as a coin purse, which they want you to do, or you can use this however way you like it. If you want to practice safe sex, you could put your safe sex things in here. Yes, you can. This can be a customized condom holder. That would be so cool. Imagine a guy that is like, hey, here's my condom holder. Okay, so that is the condom holder. It's adorable. Now I know these two pieces are the same item. Whee! Okay. I know you guys think I'm nuts. You're like, this girl's, something's wrong with her. Something is seriously wrong with this woman. Okay, we got you, and then let's open you. I know you're both the same item. My sales associate was like, there hardly any left. I'm going to track them down for you, and then I got sent two. So, and yes, I paid for two. I wish Chanel would have made a mistake and said, oh, here's two for the price of one. But no, it doesn't work that way. So let's slide this baby out. Let's slide her out. Whee! And let's slide this baby out. Whee! Oh, upside down, baby. Okay. Now, I'm addicted to these O cases. I use them. I love them. I find them highly functional. I might see a crooked CC on there. Hold on. I find them highly functional, and I think they're adorable. For me, these are wallets. They're wallets. They are catch-alls. They're great little things. They're unisexual. If you're a man, you're a woman. These are great pieces. So again, the reason why I got another O case in the black, I know so many black small leather goods, is the fact that I wanted to match the leather of this season. I've never seen caviar. No, I have not seen caviar, Chanel caviar, that is this nice in years. So I wanted the whole matching set so I can have really nice things for my bag. So this is the O case. Now I have two. You know what's pissing me off? People are selling this O case for $850, and I get it if you're a reseller and you want to make a few bucks, but $850 is crazy. So let's see how much it cost. Well, I know how much it costs, but let's get all the information out and see if you guys can find one before they disappear forever, before it's gone forever. Is there even a cart? Is there even a price in here? Okay, there's nothing. There's no price in here. Let's see if the other one has one. If not, I have it on my receipt, hopefully. Okay, the other one had it in there. This is the O case. So you have the YA number. YAY. See what I'm saying? Okay, this is weird. Everything I'm saying is wrong today. Okay, this is the AY number. A, Y is your style code, and then C is the color code for black. 3906 is black. And this year, I love the pale champagne hardware that they did. It's so nice. It's so puffy. I knew I would regret not getting it. So when you're on the fence of buying something, I like to say, will I regret not getting it? Not will I regret buying it, but will I regret not buying the piece? And I would have regretted not buying the piece because my other O case black that I have, let me see it. It's over here. I bought it just as a collector item, and it is lamb, and it's beautiful. I love lamb. Lamb is my favorite. But I know that caviar is a little bit more durable, and this was the puffy caviar, and it's so pretty. So that's my collection of my caviar small leather goods. I have 2 of these. No, I'm not going to keep both. I am going to sell one to one of my friends for the same price that I paid. It was $4.75 plus tax. So I will sell it for whatever I paid and not try to make money on people. I don't like doing that unless I, am a personal shopper. Look, I'm all for personal shopper. If somebody's on Instagram or they're on Facebook, whatever, and they're going for the trouble for getting you an item and they're going to, track it down, make the connection with the sales associate, they're going to really try to put in the work. Yes, they should, of course, make a profit for themselves. But some of the prices that I've seen these go for are just ridiculous. Like this is, I think I paid like $5.30 with tax. $8.50 is a little bit much to see it go for. Like seeing it for like $6.50, great, but $8.50 is crazy to me. And I feel so sorry, and I feel so bad for the people that really want the piece and they can't buy it, and then here they have to pay, over $200, almost $300 for a piece that's marked up. So I'm going to sell one to somebody in the community. Somebody will definitely get a chance to buy this at retail cost for them. And that's it. That's my collection. I don't really have anything else on my wish list from Chanel. The only thing I have is small leather goods to match. Again, I always will put this plug in because I want somebody to match to this bag. I'm looking for small leather goods to match with this bag in the O case. Okay, speaking of resellers and overpriced things, somebody was selling a case to match this, and whoa, I was like, no way will I ever pay that. I'm not going to pay 5 times the original price. I'll go and buy a beautiful piece of jewelry that'll last me forever rather than doing that. So if anybody ever sees, this is the pale pink Cruise 2017 chevron. I love this with the matte gold hardware. If you ever see small leather goods, they could be over retail, but if they're like, $3,000 for an O case, you can go to hell. So this is my pieces. Thank you so much for watching me. I think I'm done with Chanel except for, well, not forever, but except for baby pink small leather goods. That's the only thing I want is baby pink small leather goods and a pair of earrings. That's it. I feel content. I feel happy. Thank you so much for watching. Please excuse my craziness of saying every word backwards. I think I might have said like half of the video is like me talking backwards, and I'm weird. What can I say? I'm weird. It's Friday the 13th. I'm going out to dinner, and I'm going to have a big party with my husband. Okay, guys, have a wonderful week. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram because it is Friday night, and we will be doing the giveaway soon. And we're going to be talking live. So if you have any questions for me, or if you need any assistance with anything, I'm always happy to help. If I don't get back to you right away, I'm not ignoring you. My life is crazy. You know what my dream is? My dream is to sleep. If I can get some sleep, can somebody put out a good vibe that I get to sleep tonight? I never sleep. I have the worst insomnia. And I just want to sleep. Wait, did I give you the O case number? I'll do it again. So here is the O case in black burgundy. Here's the AY. I think I did. Yay. I'm sorry. I'm so overtired, guys. That's my family. This one will go to a friend. Bye-bye. Oh, not bye-bye to you. Bye-bye to the case. Has the cute little CCs. It's nice. All right. I hope everyone has a great week, and I will talk to you soon, and do something for yourself today. Promise me you will do one thing for yourself, whether it's make yourself a fabulous cup of tea, take a bath, read, do something, take a walk, purchase your favorite drink, your favorite food item, do something, meditate, do something for yourself. Promise? All right. Love you. Mwah. Bye-bye.